Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today is the day we get to put out the flamingos. So it's my third year, I think, with these ladies, and they are looking pretty good. We are going to try and get them in the garden without crushing any of the plants I've already planted, and trying to make sure that they stay up, because these are the little feet they come with. So they keep falling over. So I did discover last year that if I just use a patio, little bricks, it works. And we have a new addition this year for my yoga area on the deck. Meet yoga flamingo. So, turn it. Yes, this is her debut, her video camera debut, and I think she's adorable, and so she's gonna go on the deck where I usually do yoga, or in the garden. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a new yoga spot this year or not, but she's the new addition, so when we figure out a home for her, I will show you. But first up, let's get the other ladies in their spot. Oh, I don't have the pegs.
Well, I'm filming, so
okay.
Yeah.
I'll get the pegs later.
So you're putting the block on their feetsies. Interesting.
Okay, and then same thing over here.
That's smart.
Thank you.
Oh, I forgot I'm cutting off your head, but that's okay.
That's alright.
You don't need your head.
I don't even have it. I just gotta make sure I don't step on anything.
The purple bush in the back, is that like a lilac or whatever?
A lilac?
Lilac. It's pretty.
It's a lilac thing.
Oh, there's bugs on my legs.
I think I have to use both of them actually. Dig this one into the ground here a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now, right. Maybe over here where it's a little less.
What if you like put the block on an angle, like on their kind of?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dig it. The other one was dug out better. Excuse me, Doug.
He's just sitting.
There's a.
What's that?
It's a grub.
Ew.
It's also a whatever it's called.
Oops.
Okay, maybe it'll be easier to deal with just the legs.
Oh.
Stick her on.
Oh yeah, that does seem easier. I should put like bug repellent on my legs. Oh my god. But I just
Maybe
showered.
I'll just double stack them. Instead
Yeah.
of one or just put one on the back end too.
No. Oh, well, yeah, because they have that little thing that
Ledge?
sticks out.
Okay. So this looks like it's gonna work.
I feel like they were designed for a hill.
How's that look?
Well, let's find out. Get out of my shot.
Are they too close to each other?
Ready?
How do they look?
Oh, they look good. They look good. With Dexter in the shot, that's a great shot right there. Now you're gonna sit next to Dexter.
This is gonna be my. Oops.
Wow, how nice.
It's wet. Here, I'm planking. No?
You know, I'm just zoomed in on you guys.
Oh, it's all wet. It's so wet.
Dexter.
Stop.
Okay. No, I'm filming Dexter. The film. Ooh, this is for the screen there. Ooh, wow. Okay, yeah, okay.